Hey everyone, it's Saucy the Towboat Chef. Well, I'm working on my fourth dessert for Thanksgiving. And this one is going to be a chess pie. Chess pie, everybody says, oh, that's just like pecan pie without the pecans. No, it is a little bit different. It has the same texture, but there's a few ingredients that doesn't go into a pecan pie. I'm gonna let you guys figure that one out. So I believe I got a pecan pie video, and I'll link it up here at the top, back when I first started doing videos, and you can see the difference. Alright, so let's get started. Let me show you the ingredients, and it doesn't take long to mix together and put together. Alright, be right back. Okay, well the first thing, of course, is the pie crust. Now, here's all the ingredients that go into it. See all these little things? This is everything. First one, that is cornmeal, 2 tablespoons. Next to it is 1 tablespoon of flour. Next to that is quarter teaspoon of salt. Next one is half a teaspoon of vanilla. 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, 2 cups of sugar, half cup of butter melted, and 4 eggs lightly beaten. Alright, let's put it together and we'll go from there. Okay, pour in the sugar, butter, vinegar, salt, cornmeal, flour, vanilla, and milk. Isn't that a cute little measuring cup? It's only a quarter cup. I forgot my whisk. Okay, just basically stir it till it's all mixed together. This is a quick and easy put together. So it looks like that. Put in the eggs and stir it in. Not whisk, just stir it in. You want it to mix good. It's going to look a little lumpy with the egg whites in there. That's fine. And that's what it's supposed to look like. Yep, still some little egg whites there, that's fine. Alright, now I need to get my spatula. And you put it in the oven. In the pie crust. It will melt down, so don't think it's going to overflow. It won't. Now I'll get some egg wash and I'll coat the edges there, and then I'll put it in the oven for 350 degrees. Sorry, it's been a long day. This, like I said, my 4th dessert today, and my day's still not done. 350 degrees for 60 to 65 minutes. You may want to put a pan underneath so make it easier to transfer back and forth. So be right back. Here I go to egg wash the sides. Be free with it because it's going to be in the oven a long time. You don't want that to burn. Try not to get the sugar on the edge because that's what's going to burn it. Just got to be very gentle. You're going to get some sugar. Just keep an eye on it when it's in the oven. Like I said, it won't overflow. It will shrink. Because that sugar will melt and just for some reason it shrinks. And that's how I do it. You know, one of my dear friends, Vicki England, yes, I'm calling you out. She said something in one of my videos that she said, wow, you do everything. Well, there's a thing called Google that when I ask guys make suggestions, they said, well, what can you cook? I says, I can cook anything. Ever heard of the place called Google? If I don't know the recipe, I'll look it up. As long as I got the ingredients, I can make it. It's easy to read a recipe. Alright, it's going to go in the oven now, and I'll see you guys soon. And real quick, but it's going to be at least an hour for me. Alright, be back. The chest pie is all done. Now, I just got to do one more thing to it, and it'll be completed. So be right back. Okay, the last step to the chest pie is we need some powdered sugar on top of it. Don't need a lot. Have yourself a sifter, pour it in, and just sift it over the top. And there we go. Just like that. That's all that's needed. Because it's already got enough sugar in it. Remember, 2 cups. Be right back. Hey everyone, I just got done editing this video and I realized, oh my God, I forgot to do my normal ending to it. So with that said, thank you for watching the video and I hope you enjoyed the recipe for chest pie. If you're new to my channel, click on that subscription button, click on that notification bell to get more notifications for my videos. If YouTube does it, that is. Leave me a comment, introduce yourself, and I will respond. To all my other loyal friends and subscribers, so thank you again for supporting this channel. You all have an awesome, awesome day. I will see you up the river, down the river, or down the road. Till then, bye-bye.